If you're looking for a video editor who understands your content and help you grow, you are in the right place. Hi, I am Saurav. I help creators, businesses and brands turn raw video into clean, engaging video that people enjoy watching. I work on many types of video: YouTube videos, social media content, promo video, reels, shorts, ads and more. So whatever type of content you have, I can help you with it. My goal is simple: to make your videos look professional, feel natural and keep your audience interested. What make me difference? I don't edit videos. I try to first understand your goal, what you really want from your content. Then I edit in a way that helps you get better result. If you want your video to look better and connect more with your audience, I would love to help you. If you're ready to improve your content, just send me a message. We can start anytime. Thank you.